Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster cream sauce. We'll begin by preparing the star ingredient, ensuring every bit of flavor is captured. Then, we'll dive into crafting a robust and aromatic base, the foundation of any great sauce. Finally, I'll guide you through achieving that perfect creamy consistency, transforming simple ingredients into an unforgettable culinary experience. Get ready to impress with this elegant and delicious creation. First, let's prepare our lobster. You'll want to steam or boil about 1 1/2 pounds of live lobster until it's perfectly cooked. Once cooled, carefully extract all the delicious meat from the tails and claws, setting it aside. Don't discard those shells. They are crucial for making a rich, aromatic stock that will deepen the flavor of our sauce immensely. Chop the meat into nice, bite-sized pieces, ready for later. Now, let's build the heart of our sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add about 1/4 cup of finely diced shallots and cook them gently until they are translucent and fragrant. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. Then, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry white wine or brandy, scraping up any brown bits. For the grand finale, we'll bring it all together. Gradually whisk in 1 1/2 cups of your homemade lobster stock, ensuring a smooth consistency. Then, stir in 1 cup of rich heavy cream and let the sauce gently simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a tiny bit of cayenne for a subtle kick. Finally, fold in your delicious lobster meat and serve this exquisite sauce immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.